Yo, guys, what's up? And yep, today I'm going to Al Khor Carnival. So, yeah, with family. So, entire family is at car. I mean, entire family is inside the car, and we are set to go to Al Khor Carnival. तो देखते Al Khor Carnival जाते उससे पहले मुझे मेरी बहन का गाड़ी पार्क करना है जो बहुत गंदा है, ठीक है। तो मिलते हैं अलखोर कार्निवल में। सो बहन का गाड़ी पार्क हो गया। नाउ लेट्स गो टू अलखोर कार्निवल। या लेट्स गो। सो गाइस, हम पहुंच गए हैं। वी रीच्ड and it's exactly Al Bayt Stadium itself, you can say. So Al Bayt Stadium में आ जाओ और उसके बाजू में ही कार्निवल है इन शॉर्ट। सो ये रहा वो जगह। सो मैं लेट हो गया क्योंकि नमाज़ पढ़ना था। सो जमात खड़ी थी तो मैंने नमाज़ पढ़ लिया। तो अब कार्निवल का क्यू बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गया है। मैं एक बार अंदर जाता हूँ, ये सब ग्रास है, ग्रास में पड़ा था। तो मैं एक बार अंदर जाके व्लॉग स्टार्ट करता हूँ। ओके, आई शो यू नाउ। सो आई हैव एंटर्ड द कार्निवल। लाइटिंग्स आर ब्यूटीफुल यार। फूड स्टॉल, बहुत सारे फूड स्टॉल्स है यहाँ पे। ये रहा कार्निवल वाला स्टेशन। It's too crowded. It's basically very crowded area, and I did not expect that much crowd to be coming here. But yeah, it's too crowd. So let's see around और क्या क्या है। यहाँ पे playing areas है। So if you wanna go for the playing area section, it's basically you need a ticket and excess entry fees are there. So this is the queue. So as you see, this is a queue, and that's the counter where you get your entry ticket for. It's my mom. Mashallah. Oh boy. You don't want to click? So basically, we are done from the slides, right?
Yes.
So let's go. And see my mother. She started vlogging. What you are saying?
I said,
Uh-huh.
see with the lighting they made elephant very nice.
Wait, MashaAllah. Okay, good, good. Let's go, mom. Let's go. बेसिकली आप यहाँ पे शॉपिंग भी कर सकते हो, यही एक है मेन चीज़. Good. Mobile accessories, so pickles, basically A to Z, everything is available over here. Oh भाई, ये क्या है? कौन सा झाड़ है? संतरा. अरे वाह, संतरा का झाड़ है भाई.
رجاء الانتباه لدينا طفلة ضائعة موجودة بالمدخل الرئيسي في البازار.
शुक्रान. तो डन, कार्निवल से निकल गए. कुछ खाया नहीं वहाँ पे, was not feeling to eat something over there, so we came to Arya's to have dosa. So let's see. I'll show you the dosa. Hold on. Let my order come. Here it is. आ जाओ भाई, रखो. अरे भाई, तो ये 5 फीट का है, 5 फीट. Oh boy. वहाँ से यहाँ तक. सो डोसा हो गया, अल्कोहल कार्निवल हो गया, and now I end up in Lucille. So Lucille has this, what do you say, a night market type where you get all people. You see, it's night and look at the rush over here. So you got all the stalls. ऐसे बहुत सारे stalls है for snacks, for coffee, for many other stuffs. Okay, you can dine in and even you can just come by your car and just honk and they will bring it to you. I mean takeaway and stuff. Yeah, dining is there. You look, see, people are sitting up and all. Yeah. So, and there is a park where you can walk and see. Yo guys, so that's the wrap of this video. See you in the other video, and hope you like the video. If you like, do subscribe and share the video and like as well. So see you another time. Take care guys. See ya. Bye bye.